What's up, YouTube? Gary here. Got an interesting little video. A couple items for a tool haul. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so we see here, got a lovely Tekton box. Want to go on ahead, open that bad boy up, and get on to it. Alright, now we can get this all out of the way. Lovely invoice. Alright, so the first thing we got up, half-inch extensions, impact. Then we have 3/8 impact, 10 millimeter, which God knows I needed those. Pliers. Interested to try those out. And then regular dikes. Interested to try those out too. Had to get a replacement 3-pound sledge. Don't ask. You know, when you work on race car stuff, you need hammers. Also, long tri-lobe, number 2 and number 3 Phillips. And then, last but not least, T15, T20, and T25 tri-lobe. These are the high torque one to round out the screwdriver collection there. Moving on, now we got some stuff that I got online and at the parts store to try out. So we got the Performance Tool tube bender. Not sure how that's going to work. Lisle brake pad spreader, mainly because you got to have different sizes for some of the calipers. Got tubing cutter, Lisle hose pinchers. Figured these would be nice instead of the pliers because sometimes you can't get pliers in there. We've got like 3 of these at the shop and constantly breaking the I think that's a 5/16. It's the small one. We keep breaking it when we're doing brake lines. I also got mag mate. I got 2 of these to go on my cart. They're magnetic and you can screw them in to hold my impacts. Sort of little organization. I think it'll work real well. Excuse me. To get everything done there. Now on to the interesting one. Went to Harbor Freight to pick up some stuff. Trying out the little Braun pocket light. Found this and kind of interested to see what it can do because I'm constantly losing the snap-on puck light and my Astro. So you know, at $90 and $45, those things get freaking expensive. Also, interested to try out the Doyle wire cutters just to see how they work and things. So they were really nice. And then, because it was that 10% off deal, and yes, my tripod is still at freaking work, zip ties. And yes, I get all kinds of sizes. And believe me, when you work at a race car shop, you will learn real quick that you go through zip ties. Also got a couple of masks and even more zip ties. So that's So that's it for the video, guys. That's my tool haul for this week. And stick around for more content as, you know, I get back up to the shop and start banging out stuff this weekend and get things ready to go. Got a couple new interesting things that are coming this way on the channel. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring the notification bell to let you know when I'm coming out with new videos. And like always, keep it on the track.